Hey everyone, I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. I'm trying something new to get out of my comfort zone and share some of my past food experiences with you all. Today we're going to Boba Guys. I spent the morning editing videos and decided to take a break and get some sunshine. It's about 90 degrees today in SF and I'm sweating. It's mid-October. This is our Indian summer. Boba Guys launched their seasonal fall drinks not too long ago, and the last time I was here, I had the black sugar hojicha. But today, I'm getting the black sesame latte.
Hi.
Hey, picking up for Lawrence?
Lawrence?
Yeah.
You got a black sesame latte? There you go. Enjoy.
It's toasty, nutty, and silky smooth. Similar yet different compared to jimawu or black sesame soup. It brings me back to happier times. It's nostalgic. Around this time last year, I spent an afternoon with two of my best friends at this very same park, enjoying the black sugar hojicha. Little did I know that was the beginning of my lowest of lows. I've come a long way since then, and today I'm creating new memories and letting go of the old. Black sesame latte. Anyway, that was my little break for the day. I'm going to be recreating this black sesame latte in my next cooking video. See you soon.